Here's one of my favorite examples of incentive-based marketing in action. The McDonald's Happy Meal. So, McDonald's give away toys inside their Happy Meal, pretty simple, right? But why do they do this? For us marketers and salespeople, it's easy to see that it's an incentive to buy. And McDonald's is extremely smart with this, because it's not just an incentive for the kids, it actually becomes an incentive for the parents too. Because you have little Jacob buckled up in the back seat, kicking and yelling, that he wants a Happy Meal because he wants to play with a new Spider-Man toy. And the mom and dad are driving, and they're just frustrated, they are hurrying up, and yelling into the drive-through speaker box, for 2 cheeseburgers, a large fry, and a Happy Meal so little Jacob is quiet for the next hour. The parents don't even think about the additional cost of the Happy Meal, they don't care about the price, because little Jake wants that new Spider-Man toy. And mom and dad just want some peace and quiet. And listen, this might not seem like anything special, but the data research firm Sense 360 reported that McDonald's attributes $10 million in revenue per day directly to the sales of their Happy Meal. That's ridiculous. That's over $3 billion per year in additional revenue, just from throwing in an extra incentive. So what happens when you use that same strategy and give incentives to adults? Let me show you. I have a full 50-minute training on it called How to 7x Your Conversions and Get Hundreds of Referrals Per Week. Register here, advertisingbooster.com. I'd like to show you the exact process we use, and how we have taught a select group of people how to replicate our results. If you are curious to see behind the scenes of how we've exploded the profits for over 3,200 other clients, click the button below.